is a shout-out, to Karma, who finally made her return tonight at WWE's Royal Rumble. All of you, bimbo lingerie model hags is about to have a very rude awakening, because you are finally going to realize and is going to know what a real, true, dominant pro wrestler force is all about. And Karma is going to run through each and every single one of you. In fact, she's not only going to run all over you, she's going to eat you for lunch. You that can't barely wrestle, that can't wrestle to save your life, you bimbo bitches better realize you get in the ring with Karma, you are done. I can't wait. I cannot wait for Karma to